Stop, guys, stop. Who are we gonna
Chili.
This red house. Yeah, but where do we hide?
We're going down the street.
Right behind the bush.
Oh yeah, like they're not gonna see us.
Where are we gonna go? We go to that. Other blinds are open there. Yeah. Do this house right here.
What?
That's Sister Miguel. Okay, look.
Well, let's pick a house.
So it says chili.
Get better.
Here's some chili.
Give me the chili. So stupid.
Ew, you touched me with it.
It started with
like
a little bit
cold.
of punch and some garlic.
And then a little bit of dog food, syrup.
Chocolate sauce, ketchup, mustard, honey syrup, butter, eggs, corn,
Raisins.
dog food, eggshells, ramen noodles,
The egg and the shells.
jalapeno, soy sauce,
And then my dog licked it. And
and she loved it, and now she's feeling it.
That one. They're new.
Dude, where are we freaking
They
hide?
got in a divorce and moved away.
yeah, I remember that.
I'm not with them. They always fill up their whole yard with Christmas decorations.
Yeah, they do.
Like, no kidding. On Christmas, you can't. There's like not 1 foot that doesn't have Christmas decorations. No, they're like.
Dude, they're scary.
They're scary.
Yeah, you're having juvenile.
Like they've gone to jail like 4 times.
And I ain't doing it.
His name's David Parker. He's gone to jail like 3 times. And his older brother had sex with his sister.
That's up. Did he have like 2 toes? What about this house? This house?
We should do it to Sister Cook.
Ah, gotta find one.
A mile away from Nate's house.
I don't even know where we're at.
This is by my house.
What? This is not 2100.
Well, let's hurry and do one
2100.
before this video is half an hour.
2100, Zach. I don't know where it is though. And then you turn right.
Like Reggie's or whatever it's called, right to the left.
They're in the backyard.
They're right there.
She do it to them.
Nate, are you still filming?
Hey! There's...
That was Jackson's brother.
What's up, Gary?